Dareu is now a well-known peripheral brand in the realm of keyboard and mouse peripherals. Many players purchase their keyboard and mouse because of their unique appearance and affordable price. What appeals do Dareu's goods have? Let's review a Dareu A98 Tri-Mode mechanical keyboard in more detail. When using a 104-key mechanical keyboard, I wonder if some of the keys are hardly ever used. For instance, the print screen key and the ins key were added, leading to the creation of the 98-key keyboard layout. The 98-key Dareu A98 Tri-Mode mechanical keyboard is a product. Although 6 buttons that were rarely used by many users were deleted, they were replaced with ones that were lighter and took up less room. The representative said that the 98-key layout saves 20% of the space when compared to the 104-key layout keyboard. The 98-key layout is in fact simpler to put than the 104-key version in several situations involving smaller desks. The 98 keys of the Dareu A98 don't significantly reduce the key experience. The number key area has been entirely kept, and the only other significant alteration is that the 0 key has shrunk. Up, down, left, and right are the 4 direction keys, and they are all full size, so tapping them is not uncomfortable. Together with the keyboard, the product package also includes a USB Type-C data connection for charging and connecting the keyboard to a computer. The key puller and customized keycaps for the S key, spacebar, 2 enter keys, and 4 direction keys are also included in the list of standard accessories. You can swap out the keycap for a new style if you grow weary of the appearance. All users can have a convenient and comfortable tapping experience, thanks to the keyboard's backs, 5 rectangular non-slip rubber pads and support brackets that allow for 2 stages of adjustment in the top left and upper right areas. A notch for the data cable and a USB Type-C slot are located in the space between the 2 support brackets. It should be noted that this Type-C slot is hollowed out on both sides and has a limited space, thus the mobile phone's Type-C data cables cannot be utilized with this keyboard. Try to bring the original data cord if you typically want to charge this keyboard outside. The Dareu A98 keyboard's tri-mode switching system is particularly useful. The tri-mode connection can be changed using a slider on the upper left side of the keyboard. The keyboard will switch to the 2.4 GHz wireless connection mode when the slider is raised to the top. The lever operates in wired mode when it is in the middle position, and when it is moved to the lower BT mark, it switches to the Bluetooth connection mode. For 3 seconds, press down the FN and Q keys to activate Bluetooth pairing. At that point, you can pair it as long as a tablet or computer's Bluetooth settings show a device with the name A98BT. Between the S key and the F1 key, there is a small rectangular panel that can show the keyboard's battery life. This is worth noticing. The particular battery percentage data is more understandable than the battery indication, in my opinion, and I think this appearance is excellent. When using the keyboard, it is also possible to more effectively manage the keyboard's battery life and charge it when necessary. The keyboard includes a built-in 4000 mAh battery that can last 7 days, while the RGB lighting effect is on, making it suitable for even intense gaming sessions. You can tell that using this keyboard will result in an extremely quiet keystroke experience. Due to the internal gasket structure appearance and the addition of a high tough noise-absorbing silicone cushion between the keyboard liner and the bottom shell, this is the case. For roommates or coworkers, the silent tapping experience is beneficial because it allows for a pleasant tapping experience, whether you are working or playing a game. Also, the sound of the keyboard tapping won't disturb neighbors or coworkers. Dareu A98 can also match each key location without our own debugging, and it enables intelligent detection of many WinMac platforms. Unfortunately, there isn't a designated button for the Mac operating system on the keycap, so users who aren't familiar with the Mac's key layout will need some time to get used to it before they can fully adapt. The Dareu A98's 3 main competitive advantages are its innovative tri-mode pairing system, quiet mechanical shaft, and scientific 98-key design. Also, the fact that it is only $155 will thrill a lot of customers who are in the market for a keyboard. The Dareu A98 is the high-end accessory you require right now if you want the adaptability and silence of a keyboard. What do you think about the new mechanical keyboard? Write your opinion. Thanks for watching. See you soon.